Hey guys, I just wanted to just show you real quick. I get a lot of people that ask me, what is goose? They're like, Canadian goose, what does that taste like? They're like, it sounds disgusting. Well, and then they want to know if it's like a steak, if it's like a dark red meat, if it's gamey. Well, here I'm going to show you what it is. So what I did was I breasted them out, just took the breast meat, a couple geese and a duck, and I put them in the slow cooker in the crock pot, and I'm going to show you what you got. So it's just a crock pot, and it's been on for about 12 hours. And here is some goose. And that's what it looks like. And what happens is you can just, if I can hold this phone and do this, you can just break it. You can just break it apart, just like pulled pork. And what I do is I'll get it all broke down, and then I'll get some sweet barbecue sauce, and I'll mix it in with it. So that's what it looks like. It's just like pulled pork. It's so soft. Comes right apart. And there's some that I already broke down. And then you get some sweet barbecue sauce and put it in there and mix it up. And you can do whatever you want. I put it on a wrap, and I put some mozzarella cheese on it. I stick it in the toaster oven so it melts the mozzarella cheese. And it is delicious. You can put it on bread, put a little cheese on top of it. That's good. I think I'm actually going to try to make a stromboli today with the goose and the duck and a bunch of mozzarella cheese. And so that's what it is. And if you could smell it, you'd smell that it smells great. All right, guys. Bye.